So, today we will have some car update about my E90. Today we will be talking about the exhaust system, old and new exhaust system that was done and I did. Now it is full shotgun exhaust, and but let me start with something more, maybe more interesting for you, for my most pleasant viewers that are continuing to view me even when I'm talking in English. So I have some sort of idea, and I need to know what do you think about it. And the point is that some weeks ago I opened my YouTube channel settings, and I did what I didn't do lots of time before. And the point is why I am maybe changing my mind is that I saw percentage of users by localization, and I saw interesting thing. So all you know that I started to record my videos in English because I thought that all of my viewers are from Russia, but it's not. So the percentage of Russian viewers is lower than the 30%. So what I did is I turned by the ass to the people that are 70%, that are not located even in Russia. My fellows Ukrainians, Georgians, Azerbaijans, Kazakhstans, and others. They all saw me in Russian language. This 70%, and I think that's not good. Even going back to the Russian viewers, this 30%, I clearly don't think that all of you 30% hate me or hate Ukrainians or hate Ukraine. I don't think about this. I know that you currently don't want to write anything in the comments anywhere. Some part of me understands that, but okay. So I think maybe half of you are normal people, and you write to me, you support me. So this 30% is not 30% of you. It's maybe 10, maybe 15, and only stupid man can not change its mind in any sort of thing. Only smart people can change their mind, can just turn in another way again, in the right direction. And I want to be this man. I don't want to be stupid man and just going in one direction, in case what Russian government does now. So if you have some position, some understanding that you can change your mind, you can change your direction, you should do that. Maybe some other way, but you should do that. And my point of view is that I should change my mind. But all you know that I wanted to record videos in English the way before the war began, and I want to do that further. I want to record videos in English. You can see that it's a bit hard for me. It's understandable, but that's my way. I want to do that. But I don't want also to turn my ass to normal people, to my fellow Ukrainians, to normal people from other countries. They all speak Russian also. So my idea is to switch to some mixed videos. Some videos in English, some videos in Russian. So please give me your mind. Please write a comment. What do you think about it? I know this video will not gain lots of views. It will be something about 1,000, 1.5. So this will be the viewers that are continuing watching me, my most brilliant viewers. And I need your mind. I'm interested in what do you think all about it. If If you will support this idea, so I think I can change my mind and switch into some sort of mix, and it will be 2 videos per week, maybe in English and in Russian. Maybe different videos, maybe videos about the same things, just 2 languages, and that's all. I think it's a good point. So I'm going straight away. I'm going straight about my idea of English-speaking channel, and I'm not showing us to my 14,000 viewers, 14,000 subscribers. That's a huge number. Now it's fully straight piped, and no need for waiting. I will just show you the sound check of how it was and how it is now. It was before I actually did some things to this, and it is now. So okay, what is it? What is the type of this exhaust? I bought the car without a muffler, without a resonator. I have ones, they are stock, and I can put them anytime I want. But actually I don't want to. I like the sound, it's not very loud, and it's good. What it was? It was no muffler, no resonator. It's Sulev, so it had 2 cats also, and the stock cats that are in the exhaust manifolds. So in sum, it had 4 cats. I did what I did. I just cut it off the second cats, and we welded all the holes in the exhaust. The welding job was done before me very badly. It had very much of exhaust holes, and here is some interesting advice. If you want the pop-ups and banks on your stock exhaust, just make the holes in the exhaust system and you will have. So actually I had some sort of pop-up and banks. The popcorn on the exhaust, when we welded all the holes here, everything going to be okay, and now the sound is clear and fully shotgun. So what I have here in my exhaust is just exhaust manifolds, stock cats in the exhaust manifolds, and that's all. The straight pipe shotgun exhaust. The second update of the E90 is the spacers. I have put the spacers at last I did it, and it looks brilliantly and it looks perfectly. I will put here the past line video, and you will see how I did it. At last I want to comment you some updates about spacers that I was talking about in 2 videos before. The 2 cm spacers here on the front wheel, as you can see, it now looks much better. And here is no spacer, much inside as with the spacer now. So the actual look now is really much better. Here it is, how it looks. Here are my long bolts with the new thread, which it's time for spacers update. Here I already put it as a 2 cm and 1 mm in some spacer. I'll show you how it looks without it. And here what I'm talking about. Here I have 1.5 cm spacer, aluminium, and the 6 mm spacer. So I'm just doing this thing, and in total we have the 2 cm and 1 mm spacer on the back side. On the front there is only 2 cm. I just gave some tests, and nothing scratching here, everything's okay. So now the look of my 90 is just perfect. I like it very much. It sits low, it's not scrubbing anywhere, and the wheels are sitting also white. So that's brilliant. I like it very much. I like the sound, I like the exhaust, I like its looking. And also the last thing that I did in this month with the car was the LED angel eyes kit. So I just switched into LED angel eyes. It was simple job, nothing interesting, but on white color car the LED angel eyes are looking very good. In the part of outside of the looking of my car, it may be some sort of the end, but we'll see. That's it, that's all for the updates. The main update was about the language of my channel, so please write a comment. I'm really interested in your thoughts about this, and if yes, I think my channel will gain some new interesting content. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you didn't put like, and see you in the next video. Bye.